Good afternoon, everyone, and once again, thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox this Twilight Masquerade English version, if I'm not wrong. I think it's an English version. All right. So before that, I would like to thank you to the Farm Play TCG for giving me a chance to open this sealed box of the um, Twilight Masquerade. So this Pamplay TCG is one of the seller also here in Singapore. So go ahead. There is a few platforms that you can try and buy from his platform. Shopee also have. So if you wanna try, I will I will upload into my channel also as well. So yeah, without further ado, we'll start and unboxing this Twilight Masquerade. So definitely you guys, you know which one is the chase of this booster box, right? From this Pokemon. I searched a little bit. Those SIR is a freaking insane. So if we manage to pull that one, then it's a good thing also as well. All right. Okay, let's begin. So since this is my first time doing unboxing of this, what is it called? This Twilight Masquerade, we will do the one by one, guys. Huh? So please bear with me. It's a little bit of long. Okay. All right. Oh, that is the yeah. Because I watch how they open. So yeah. Now I'm learning. I don't know if one like that. I'm not very sure. Okay, it's a one. Okay. Okay, who is this? iPhone. Poliwag. Oh yes, Poliwag. Okay, this is the hollow. Oops, another hollow. And alright, I don't know if this is the hits. I think so because this one is a hollow, then not too sure. So guys, please bear with me because I am not good in Pokemon. Okay, because actually a few time only that I unboxed and legend for this what is so called Pokemon. I never do Pokemon, so guys, please bear with me if I cannot able to recite the name. Okay, catching set Agron. All right, so this is the holo. Okay, we go to the holo. All right, and okay, normal hits, I believe. Okay. Oh, it's quite easy to open the English. I thought that time when if you guys watch my previous video, the Stellar Crown, right? I used the what is it called? I'll use the scissor because I don't know how to open. Okay, right forward. Deep clean. Chayu? I don't know. Okay. Iron bundle, and this one is oh nice AR, I guess this is a AR, I believe, or maybe it's a SR. I think this kind of card is a SR sign. I'm not very sure. We want the SAR. Hopefully we can manage to pull SAR. But nice, huh? All is a black coat. They say black coat is a good. I don't know. Maybe I just follow only. So no need to do the things. Okay. Goodie. Oh, I cannot read. My eyes got a problem. Ogre's Mask. Okay, it's a hollow. This one is who? Fionet? I don't know. Ooh. Chandelier. Hold on, guys. I want to take something. Oh. Okay. Alright. I'm back. Alright, guys. Sorry for the interruption. I accidentally dropped and banged with my camera. Alright. We'll continue. Ooh, like that. Hopefully we can pull any good hits in here, please. Oh, Snorlax. I think we keep this one. It's nice, Snorlax. Okay. Growlithe. I'm not very sure if this is a good hit or what, but I'll keep the Snorlax because that one I know. It's scary when you pull the thing. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's hits, guys. Dang. This one. Oh, no foiling. This one is Survival Brace. I'm not too sure how much is this. Okay. Poliwag. And okay, a normal, I guess. So this is our second hit. The ACE Ace or something. This one is like to cast your spell or something for this card, and you can summon this one time only. Yeah, that's what I know. I never played this also, but let's see. Let's see what we can get. Okay, Poliwag, Airpon, Wowie, Clefable, Cook, Palafin. Oh, nice! Another hit. Is this okay? Normal. Tianglo. Oh, Tianglu. Oh, Tinglu. Tianglu. I don't know if this one is a good unfair stamp. Unfair stamp. Okay. So far, the hit is good. So far, I believe. Oh, is this don't have any white coat, right? I'm not pretty sure about this booster box. Okay, anyway, I would like to shout out again the Farmplay TCG. Thank you very much for giving me a chance of this booster box. So you guys can purchase from his platform. He's a very good guy also as well. Oh, this one is EX. Alright, so I think this one is a SR in a sense, I guess, or a rare. I'm not pretty sure which one is rare, which one is a SR. I am not too good in Pokemon because I never collect Pokemon. So literally I don't have any idea about the Pokemon. Only I know it's a Pikachu, like that, you know. Okay, so at least you guys can see what is my hits. I don't know which one is UR, something like that. I think the high, one of the high hits is the double star in here with the color gold. That one, I believe that one. Oh, Pikachu. I thought it's Pikachu. It's Eevee. I thought Pikachu eh. I know only Pikachu. Alright, and a normal hit. Zapdos. 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 Okay, only one EX we having at the moment. Let's see what else we can get. Okay, Tranchoy. Okay, Sunflora. And enhance hammer. Okay. Ooh, who is this? So cute. Alright. Florgas. And another hit. I think we'll do the fast one. I don't want to you guys feel bored about my oh, this one is a hit, guys. Hopefully it's a SAR. Okay. Diglin. Jamming Tower. Okay. Deeplin Hollow. Aeron. And EX. Okay, it's a EX. Who is this? Oh, Greninja EX. Nice. We need the Greninja SAR. So this one is a normal hits lah, in a sense. Greninja. I think this one is a SR, I believe. Right? Oh, very hard to put in. Why? A bit. Okay, but not bad. Greninja EX is nice. I don't know. I cannot put more. Later I damage the card. Very hard. And some more very delicate. Oh, water energy. Let's see. A normal hit. Ooh, okay. A hollow. Normal. Are we able to pull the crazy today? I'm not really sure. Okay, normal. Community center. Who is this? I don't know. Slurpuff. Okay. Okay, I think the hit is in here. I feel something. I believe that I can pull the crazy pulls today. Okay. Okay. Muscle. Are we able? Ooh, what is this? Is it IR illustration rare? I believe. Who is this? I'm not Tinglo. Is this oh, 1-star illustration rare. Alright, so who is this? Impregnite or something? I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this one can put in. Alright, we put in top loader first because this one is a nice hit. I think this one is a UR or something. I believe lah, I believe it's a UR. Oh, nice. I don't know the name. Greninja, Lapras, those are at the moment. Okay, it's a feast. This one is no non-hollow. Okay, is this nice hit? I don't know. Okay, next. Yeah, all is a black coat. Then that is good one. Okay, it's a live nature. A normal, I guess. Huh? Yeah, it's a normal thing. Okay, this one is Greninja, huh? I think we can get the big hits here. I think the chase card. The SAR. Okay. Basic energy. I don't know what types of energy is. Ooh, yeah, it's a hits, guys. Okay, bag catching set. Non-hollow, I thought it's Aggron. Okay, Leaf Fawn. And let's see. EX. Oh, nice! EX. Who is this? Who is this, guys? I don't know. Wellspring Ogerpon. Not bad. It's a EX. Ogerpon. I don't know the name. It's very hard to pronounce their names. I think I need to arrange this. Yo! At last, are you able to? Is this a normal only, not the gold one? Yeah, a normal. But okay, not bad. Come on, Greninja. I think Greninja is the high hits, right? I'm not pretty sure, guys. But let's see. Okay, it's a normal. We haven't hit any what is it called? We haven't hit the trainer. I'm not very sure if there is a trainer high hits here. I am not very familiar with this booster box. Okay, so this is the hollow and normal. At least I know now how to open. The easy way to open, unlike before. Need the scissor. Okay. Skarmory, Adra, Applin, Lyron, Bellbolt, accompanying flute. Okay, is a hollow. Lana's Aid. Oh, nice! This one is a very good, mate. 1 star only, but okay, we'll take it. Ogerpon, I don't know. Okay, I think this one got the price, I believe. The sushi. It's a sushi, guys. Tatsugiri. Okay, Tatsugiri. I think maybe we upload first. I'm not pretty sure how high hits is this, but I enjoy because it's very colorful. Okay. Let's see what is next. What's the next hit, guys? Okay, same, hopefully it's a big hit here. Is I don't know, cannot see. Okay, Milachick, Pengreen, okay. Oh my god. a normal hit. Okay, next. We already more than a half of the pile, so we going to finish soon. So hopefully we okay. The electric energy, electric. Okay. So I cannot recite their names. Hey, looks like Pikachu. Cook. Alright, the holo. Crow something. I'm not pretty sure. Okay, hopefully give me a good hit. Come on, guys. Come on, give me a good hit. So guys, do the comment down below. Oh, fire. Normally fire is those dragons, right? Okay, Agapin, blah blah blah. Okay, Swanma. Okay, Bellbolt, Snorlax, non-holo. Okay, alright, Jinx, and ooh, okay, EX, a normal EX, I believe. Iron Thorns. Oh, yeah, Iron Thorns also, if I'm not wrong, there is a SAR Iron Thorns that is a chase also. I'm not pretty sure, but maybe I'm correct. Hold on, because this one is a lot already. The base card, I need to put one side first. Yeah, so at least I can rest my other hand. Okay, let's see. Okay, don't know what types of energy is that. Okay, I'm clean. No, Surtal, Deeplin, Cramorant, Kiran. Okay, normal hit. And oh, this is SIR, but it's normal only because it's not the gold one. Ogerpon SIR, but it's a normal SIR. SIR in English or SAR? I'm not. I forgot lah. Okay, we put in here just a normal SIR. Not that very crazy. It looks pretty, but it's not very crazy. Okay. Okay, fire. Let's see. You can bring me a good fire. Alpom. Oh, Ipom. Okay. Tatsugiri. Oh, this is the one. Tatsugiri, the sushi. Deeplin. Jamming tower. Alright, and a normal hit. Okay. Alright, next. Let's see what we can get. Come on, give me some juicers. Please. Give me some juicers, water. Give me some juicers. Okay, Peony. Boomerang energy. If this one, I don't know if this one have the thing, boomerang energy. Oh, we haven't get any. Okay, we haven't get any trainers, trainer foil or holo so far. Oh, what is this? Lana's Aid. Oh yeah, Lana's holo is nice. Is got the price in the market. I believe that one. They are very crazy when you pull. People are crazy when they pull that one. Lana's Aid. Okay. Next. Water energy. Okay, Sunflora, Boomerang energy. Okay, Report, Rhyport. Okay, Love Ball, Hollow. So cute. Okay, oh my god, nearly to finish, guys. We haven't get the very insane hits in here. What do you think, guys? Is this a toe box? A toe booster box? Oh, this one is a EX, I believe. Yeah, it's a EX, but who, Ogregon again? But it's a different. This one is a 2-star gold. Yeah, so I think this one is UR. Okay, we hit the UR hit. Hopefully we can get the very high hits in here. Please give me some juicers. I think this one high hits already, the sushi, yeah. But it's not gold there. So you know, it's not that gold. We are looking for the 2 gold or triple gold or something. Okay, it's a normal. This one is hollow. Hollow. Wait, put together, nice. At least we won't, Okay, next. Oh, it's a hit, guys. It's a hit. Let's see. I think this one is the crazy hits, I guess. Okay. Morpoko. Oh, follow Morpoko. Okay. The last EX. Oh, so many EX. Oregor. This one also. Iron something. Okay, a normal EX. Is this Oregon? Give me some juicers, please. Give me some juicers. Okay, Fist energy. I think this one is a hit or what? I'm not pretty sure. For the other breaker out there, just for a glance, they know already what is the hits because they are more often unboxing and break the. Okay, it's a normal EX. I think this one is like Luxray EX. Luxray. Okay. Okay, last 4 packs, guys. Come on, give me some juicers, please. Give me some juicers. Alright. I think it's a normal hit. Okay. Oh yeah. Normal, very normal hit. Okay, last 3 packs. Are we able to get the last pack magic or something? Maybe. Okay. Normal hit. Alright. Come on. Greninja. Where are you, Greninja? Where are you, Greninja? Yeah, it's a normal hit. Oi, nice. Iron Leaves. But it's not that. I think it's a normal hit only. Oh, the hit also in here is the Iron Leaves, I believe. Maybe. Last pack magic. Okay. Last pack magic. Oh, I don't know. Maybe toe. Okay, this one is what? Bag catching set. Alright, give me some juicers. No. Alright, but this one I like. Snorlax. I'll put this one in. I think it's a base only, base part. I'll just put in there. Okay, guys. So here is our hits. I don't know which one is the crazy hits. I believe this one also is a crazy hits. We double check those. Okay, normal, and normal. This one is, I don't know. Okay, so this one is a double one. Okay, this one need to top load. This one also I guess need to top load. Oh yeah, huh? Okay, this two top load. Okay, so alright, I'm going to top load this one first. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Take the one. Okay, there we go. We do the top load. I believe not bad. Although we never get the very high hits in a sense, but yeah. So that is the essence of the unboxing and box breaking, especially if you are trying to chase something. It's not easy also as well, so that's why the price is in there. Correct, guys? I believe. Because if it is easy to pull, then in the market price also is a bit lower, because it's easy to pull, everyone can pull something like that. So that's why it's in here. Okay, so do let me know, guys, if I pull any crazy cards in here. I believe this one only, the sushi, is a crazy, and I think this one also, I believe. Okay, alright, so we will do the recap now. A short recap. Alright. Oh my goodness, very hard to take up this one. The silicone. There you go. Alright. Okay, guys. We will do the recap. So before anything else, please do hit like, share, and comment down below, and tell if it is my pulling rate today is very good or not. Okay, because I am not very sure about the cards that what we pull today. Is it very good, or a middle only, or a very bad? Okay, so this is our pull today. The EX. Okay, and the AEC or something. Alright, and the SAR. Yeah, the alternate arts. This one is a very cute one. Blizzery, and the sushi. I think this one is the chase, one of the chase. Sushi, and what is the name? Infernape. All right, guys. So, uh, oh, this one, the mid hits, all those EX. I don't know if this one, which one is a need to top load, but I believe it's not because it's a no gold something. Yeah. So this is a normal hits. Alright, so guys, if you like these unboxing sessions of my content, do the follow also as well. Don't forget to subscribe into my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the updates. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you for watching into my YouTube channel and see you in my next video. Have a good day. Goodbye.